We are 26th January. Yes. What's the importance of this day? Can you tell me? Today, our constitution was implemented. It's the day of our constitution. We are celebrating our constitution. So, India gained independence after countless struggles and strives. So, now it's our responsibility to be faithful towards our country. How the constitution was made and who made our constitution? Can you tell me? Anybody? Who is called the father of? Yes, right. But not only B.R. Ambedkar, many other teachers were also included in this. They worked hard and made our constitution. And what's constitution? Constitution is a book of rules. It's a book of rules. Rules and regulations are there in the book of constitution. So for any institution and for a country too, rules are very important. When you come to school, what is teachers used to tell you? Follow the rules, follow the regulation. So to run any institution, to run any school, what we need? We need to follow the rules and regulation. Then only a country or an institution will run smoothly. So after countless efforts and struggles, we got independence. So what's our duty? We should do something for our country. We should do or not? Yes. So how can you do? You must be thinking that you are too small. I can't do anything. When I will become big, then I will do something for my country. So it's not true. Your small deeds, your small children now, and your small deeds can also play a big role in like wherever you are, like when you are at home. What can you do at home? Can you tell me? Can you do anything for your country when you are at home as a kid? Again, I have told you that you have to follow the rules and regulations. Some of the rules are implemented to us. Like for example, I am taking a very small example. Like it is asked to you that throw the garbage at the right place. It is asked to you or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Garbage vehicle is coming every time. So you have to dispose the garbage at the right place. How it will benefit our town and how it will benefit our country? Can you tell me? It will make our town clean. Clean it will make it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So this thing is, you are also doing for the country. This small deed is playing a vital role. When you are on the road, you have to follow the traffic rule. Don't litter. These are the small things if you'll do. You have to think that these things I'm doing, I'm following the rules and regulation. You are doing for your country. You are making your place clean. You are making your town, you are making your country clean. So this is going to play a big role from your side. And apart from all these things which I am telling you, the most important thing from your side is to study. You are a student now and you have to be serious towards your studies. So it's your first responsibility is to put your more and more effort towards your studies. You have to be responsible. So if you will be responsible towards your studies, you are going to become a good citizen of India, because all of you know knowledge is power. Without knowledge, we can't do anything. If you want to do good in anything, any field, you have to gain knowledge. So if you are serious towards your study now, you are going to do anything you can do good. There are so many fields are there. So if you are going to do good in any of the field, you are going to increase. You are going to do better for your country. Understand or not?
Yes.
Are you understanding my points? So yes. Now my last point is about the culture and diversity. Why is India famous?
Ma'am, because it's a culture and diversity.
Yes, of course, right. We all belong to different cultures, different religions. So India is famous for its diversity, unity in diversity. That is the very charming point of India. So we should always put in our mind that we should always respect all the cultures, religions. We should pay respect towards everybody, each and every religion, each and every culture. So these are the small points. If you will remember these points, you are going to do something good for your country. And if you are going to put these things in your mind always, you will do good, inshallah. So this is my last point. So now we are going to celebrate. We will start with the national anthem. So everybody stand straight. Let's sing the national anthem. Happy Republic Day again.